Hourglass makes it easy to schedule cleaning assignments. In this video, we'll show two examples of how to schedule cleaning for different situations. The first is a congregation that just has one cleaning assignment per week and assigns it to a field service group. First, you select the date of the assignment. Often cleaning is done on the weekend, so let's select Saturday, September 2nd. Once the date is selected, I can choose a field service group. Let's select the Kingdom Hall group. Now the assignment is shown. I can select another date, such as the following weekend, and another group. You'll also notice that as soon as I select one group, another assignment is available. So if your congregation uses two groups at the same time to do the same cleaning assignment, they can both be assigned together. While groups show by default, and the assignments go to the group overseer, you can also assign cleaning to others in the congregation. Let's go to the Privileges tab and assign the cleaning privilege to two of our ministerial servants. Now they will appear in the drop-down, so cleaning assignments can be given to them directly. Now let's consider a more complex situation. A congregation has both interior and exterior cleaning each week that are assigned to different field service groups, and a separate schedule of lawn maintenance assigned to specific brothers every other week. To accomplish this, first select the settings and change the number of cleaning assignments to 3. Then update the cleaning labels: interior, exterior, and lawn. You'll notice we can now assign the exterior cleaning to a different field service group. And we can assign the lawn maintenance to our ministerial servants, for example. So let's do that. We'll select this other weekend, select the other ministerial servant, and then we can fill in the groups that would be responsible for interior and exterior cleaning. Once the cleaning assignments are correct and they've been filled out for a month, you can then click here to send them. Group overseers will receive a notification of cleaning assignments for their group, and individual publishers will receive notifications of any individual cleaning assignments. Everyone in the congregation will be able to see the cleaning assignments right in the app.